question number 7, we're trying to find the intersection point of the two graphs. And instead of doing it on the calculator, we're solving by the substitution method. So the substitution method for systems of nonlinear equations is very similar to the substitution method for systems of linear equations. We need to get one of our variables by itself as our first step. So I'm going to choose to isolate the blue y. So I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides and then divide by -1. The next step is we need to substitute this into the other equation where we see y. Okay, so now I want to solve this. And I notice that I have both an x squared and an x here, so I want to get everything onto one side and 0 on the other, and then factor. If you want to use quadratic formula, you can. But I'm just going to factor. So this factors to be 2x plus 1 and x minus 2. So I'm factoring. So then if you set these both equal to 0, x is going to be -1/2 and x is going to be 2. So now I need to get the y coordinates for both of these x coordinates. And to do that, I'm going to plug them into this. So you could plug it into this equation or either of the original ones. So this is going to be y is equal to 3 times -1/2 plus 5. And y is equal to 3 times 2 plus 5. So this will be y is equal to 7/2. This is y is equal to 11. So the point -1/2 and 7/2 and the point 2, 11. These will be my two intersection points. And we should always check these back in the original two equations, and if you do that, you'll find that both of them will work. So always check, because there could be extraneous solutions on these ones.